The best healthy energy drinks on the market right now. Healthy energy drinks include vitamins and minerals, natural forms of caffeine, and less sugar than typical energy drinks. While sugar-free and low-sugar energy drinks are healthier than most, coffee and caffeinated tea are still recommended over them to boost energy levels. Though some caffeine is perfectly healthy, it gives you energy and improves your ability to focus and concentrate. Some energy drinks contain high levels of caffeine that can be dangerous and negatively impact your heart, not to mention your anxiety and ability to sleep. Energy drink ingredients to avoid. Faux sugars like stevia and sucralose, known as Splenda, have zero nutritional value and can cause digestive issues. Though stevia has been generally recognized as safe, there are concerns over its impact on our overall health. The healthiest energy drinks on the market. Why your energy levels might be low. Are you hydrating properly throughout the day? Are you getting enough sleep? How to increase energy levels naturally. Eat a solid meal a few hours before a workout and a small serving of carbs close to the workout, about an hour before you exercise. The bottom line. If you must have an energy drink, go for one of the options on this list, which are all sugar-free or low sugar, and many include extra vitamins and minerals for additional health benefits, such as focus and recovery.